Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If it's your first time, do not forget to like, comment and share. Enjoy the video. So guys, I'm going to be making a burger for myself and Freya. I've got bread there. So I'm going to use ginger powder, I'm going to use the aroma stock powder, garlic and ginger, the flavor enhancer, salt, and I'm thinking a little bit of this. A little bit of this. Yeah, so let's get going. Mince is beef mince. I'm just going to season it, leave it to sit for a little bit because I think my head's been cut off, but you get the gist. So I'm going to use a plate. I'm going to transfer it here. Get a piece of paper, like it comes with this. Then I'll season back in here, or I just season here, doesn't matter, doesn't really matter. So it can get a bit messy and you have to use your hands. I need to find my gloves. Okay, so I'm gonna use the garlic. I'm gonna have a bit of that. Garlic and ginger. I need to find my gloves. Yeah, because you need to obviously mash up together all of these so the flavors can penetrate. A lot of garlic is needed, right? Yes guys, that's what we're gonna have today. Now I'm gonna put a bit of lemon. I prefer to put lemon than vinegar. Actually, this here. Just a little bit. Oops. I'll remove all the. That's enough. Okay. So I'm going to remove all the seeds. Should have done that before, but nevertheless. Okay.
You don't want to bite into these seeds, guys. It's so bitter. Guys, we're going to have another lockdown here in England.
And life is just, but I'll take this opportunity to really grow on my YouTube channel. I'll be uploading more. I'll be learning a lot online, taking courses. Once the country is back to normal, I've gained a lot of skills or knowledge about a lot of things, and hopefully the online business also grows, because I think now business, when you have a business, you need to make sure that you are online as well, because now everything is closed, like starting the year again with the lockdown, unfortunately. Another 6 weeks of misery, and we're going to be cooking and making our house look nice and looking after ourselves. I've got quite a few fragrance reviews coming up. Okay, right. Okay. So now I'm just going to remove these because it's quite gross. I will remove these and we'll add black pepper. And I'll change my gloves because that was quite disgusting. It's just disposable gloves, and I'll be shaping the baggers. I'll be back. So guys, I don't like too thick or too thin, because when it's too thick as well, I feel like it's not going to cook properly. So I'm just yeah, not too thick. Okay. Probably gonna get 5 out of these, or 6 maybe. I like a well-made, well-cooked meat. You know, since one of my friends went on a holiday in Turkey, she apparently had the bacteria. She went to a restaurant and she had a meat in there. It was not cooked properly, and she, unfortunately, now she's disabled. She was in coma for 6 weeks. A bacteria entered her brain. You know, she was in coma. She was my boss at work at the time. I think I was 18. She was a lovely, she was a supervisor. She actually hired me. Yeah, to this day, she's, you know, disabled. You know, really sad. Beautiful mixed race lady. Yeah, really sad. We actually, her family came to our workplace and announced that she was going to die. They gave her 2 days or something, and we all crying. My management, the whole team. Was a part-timer at the time. Yeah, they had said she was going to die. Thank God she didn't. Her name is Sam. She's so nice, so nice. I'm not just saying this because she's, you know, not well or anything like that. She was just a nice person. I remember she gave me a task to do in order to get the job. She said, you know, I want you to tidy this area, make sure everything looks visually pleasing, and I will come back. It was a bit like I was with another girl. The other girl was very cocky, not a nice person, I have to say. The girl that was with me, both of us, we were shortlisted for the job, and I don't know, she thought she just had to go against me or something. And I remember when Sam went inside, I said to her, let's just help each other. The girl said to me, no, you do your part, I do my part. I was like, oh my God, what a lovely human being, you know. And she was a teenager. I think she was 17 years old. She was younger than me. Pretty lady, I mean, at the time, pretty girl, but not very nice. But thank God Sam came and she told us both that we got the job. I think that was just a little exercise to just get us interacting. Since then, that woman really never got on with anyone at that workplace. To be honest with you, no one liked her. So that was something that it wasn't just me thinking that she was not nice. It's just her character. She was not a very, I mean, just negative and bad vibes, guys, bad vibes. You know, people with, and such a shame. She was such a pretty girl. But I think she was just confused. I don't know. You know, some people are just weird. And you cannot help everyone, you know. So I think I'm done. And hopefully it tastes fabulous. Okay. By the way, fabulous is the word that people know me by. Fabulous, darling. Okay, let me show you guys how everything looks like now. And I'll take this off. And I'm really hungry, so I'm going to be cooking on the speed. Okay. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Plenty there. Then we have got the bread there. I'm dying to eat, so follow me. gonna add lettuce in the salad. So let's see how this is gonna turn out to be, guys. Ooh, I'm very hungry. I don't know about you guys, but me, I am dying. So is Freya. Oh, this is proper like curled up in. Just making the salad now.
Okay.
Alright, munchkin. Gosh, this is a bit, in fact. Okay, this knife is not sharp, or these tomatoes are a bit soft.
2 eggs. I wish I had 4 eggs, but doesn't matter.
Okay, the bacon is ready.
I just want to drag everything.
Don't do that.
Yeah, I want to drag it all out of the pot.
Which
It's
pot?
frying pan. I want to take all out the frying pan and eat it all for myself. Don't care if I get burnt. I'm eating something. I'm hungry.
Okay, see how hungry Freya is, guys. I'm hurrying up right here. Hurry up, mummy.
Hurry up.
Okay.
I'm gonna get myself.
So let me do first. I'll bring the burger.
Nice and juicy. Trying to do with the, whoops.
Okay, guys, here you have it. We have our fabulous hamburger, homemade hamburger. Very delicious, very healthy, much better than this rubbish that we buy from the supermarkets or from McDonald's. Try it home for your family. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and like, comment and subscribe. And go ahead and watch my other videos as well. Until next time, I love you guys loads. Bye now.